I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Extreme video for the 7th of September. Everybody getting back to work after a long, beautiful Labor Day weekend, but the weather's going to feel more like summer in coming days after that really nice weather over the weekend with those cool mornings. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots early this morning. First off, downtown Jasper, always looking nice. View there coming from the King Building. Up north, that's the Huntsville Skycam overlooking Memorial Parkway. And way down south, Greenville, Alabama. Down in Butler County between Montgomery and Mobile. Well, pretty interesting board there with a lot of action, but nothing affecting us directly. Down to the south, we have Hermine, the tropical storm that is inland over South Texas. Up north, a strong shortwave passing through the upper Midwest, but around here it stays pretty dry. And yep, so much for the cool mornings. Readings are in the upper 60s in most spots. Tuscaloosa and Anniston sitting in the upper 60s. Birmingham, the warm spot with the old urban heat island effect. We've got 76 in the city, so clearly the dew points are higher, and clearly days will be warmer. The humidity value is higher, and going to be more like August instead of September for the rest of this week. Here's a look at our convective outlook for today. Got a slight risk of severe weather with Hermine over the Texas coastal plain. That does include places like Houston and Corpus Christi. Elsewhere, things are quiet. Rain for the next 5 days. Not very much around here. The deep moisture with Hermine will be moving up through Texas, Oklahoma, and then recurving into the westerlies well north of here. And that would affect places like ultimately St. Louis. But again, prospects for widespread rain not good. Yes, later in the week we'll have the possibility of a few afternoon showers and storms, but they should be pretty widely scattered. Here's some good tropical rain this morning. The rain shield with Hermine. Right now, the rain has already stopped over the Rio Grande Valley. The good rains are up north, Corpus Christi, Fremont, almost up to Houston. And that system is moving north. Speaking of the tropics, we'll take a look at what's out there. We've got Hermine that is inland, and then three other suspect areas in the Atlantic. One, the former Gaston, is over the Leeward Islands. Another one is located a little west of the Cape Verde Islands, and one coming off the coast of Africa as the wave train continues. And the NHC guys are not very bullish on either of those at this point. That big wave coming off the coast of Africa could develop at some point down the line. Old Gaston just having a hard time. It's been fighting dry air in the wake of Danielle and Earl coming through the Leeward Islands this morning. Not organized at all. And the next problem, of course, is Hispaniola. There's the modeling on this remnant low, and if it can clear Hispaniola to the south, it might make it. The model intensity forecast really split into two camps. Some models don't develop it, and some ramp this thing up to a hurricane. In fact, one brings it up to a Category 5 almost. We'll watch that. Again, it seems like conditions are going to be more favorable after about 24 to 36 hours. And if it can survive, it might make it. We'll see. Let's look at the GFS. This is the OZ run valid at 1 o'clock today. 594 ring over here. So we'll be up in the low 90s today, and the humidity will be higher. Strong shortwave over the Great Lakes and Hermine down to the south. But again, down below all of that, things look pretty quiet. The better chance of an afternoon shower today should be northwest of here through, well, places like Memphis and Little Rock. Tomorrow, pretty much the same deal. Got a surface front north of us coming off that strong shortwave. And again, that would suggest maybe a few scattered showers over the Tennessee Valley. We've mentioned the chance of a shower tomorrow, but obviously the better chance will be farther north. And Thursday, the front just dissipates. What's left of Hermine is coming up through Kansas City. Looks pretty dry. Friday, really not much change. Ridging aloft will keep us pretty much rain-free. We're going to mention isolated afternoon showers, but obviously with this look, rain's not going to be a big deal. Saturday, starting off the weekend, got a flat 588 ridge. The westerlies are still well to the north, and down below that, again, some evidence there could be enough moisture for a few widely scattered afternoon showers, but not very many. Sunday, the same deal. Again, some evidence maybe of a surface boundary coming in here, but the GFS not as bullish as previous runs on enhancing the coverage of showers and storms on Sunday. Monday of next week, dry. And Tuesday of next week, another front approaching from the north, and these are going to have a hard time making a big impact here because the upper support is so far north. We'll go out there 3 more days. This is the 18th, and again, the GFS has been very persistent in the idea of a tropical system recurving in the Atlantic well east of the United States. Which way that is, we don't know, but that certainly has been the pattern all season long. And a couple of days later, 3 days later, the end of the forecast on the 22nd of September, if you're looking for that good front to get everybody down in the 40s, it's not going to happen with that. We've still got ridging down here, and that looks fairly uneventful. We'll see. And again, if we make it through September without a hurricane in the Gulf, that will be a minor miracle. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We will have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, don't forget to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.